All right, let's see how much abuse the Rode mic can take with air and wind and noise. And the ultimate test would be on my bike. It'll be windy, it'll be noisy, and I'll be moving. So let's see what happens. I think that is so neat. I really want one of those so bad.
It's pretty cool.
How fast will it go?
I think they'll go 25, 28.
That's good enough.
I haven't got it up.
How hard is it to pedal when it's not?
Myself, so.
When it's not using the electric, how hard is it to pedal?
Oh, it's hard.
Oh, it's hard.
It's heavy. It's about a 70-pound bike.
All right, that's too much.
It's pretty hard when you, like right now I have pedal assist on, number 2, it goes up to 5. And it's really simple, but if you take it off completely, yeah, it's a heavy, really heavy bike.
Gotcha. So don't run out of battery is what you're saying.
Right.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Thank you.
So I'm doing this test again because I had the mic on the mirror in open wind and it was actually reasonably good. I think behind the windshield it might be tolerable. Thank you. Pushing my way. I'm saying thank you for getting my way, even though I kind of just took it. Now I noticed on the other clip that I did, there was a guy on a bicycle, right? And I'm riding next to him and I'm talking to him. And you could barely hear the bike, but you could hear both of us talking relatively clearly. And I thought, wow, I get this microphone pointed at my face like it is now. And I get the windshield up a little bit to keep the wind from blowing constantly on it. It might work. So now we're going to take the test up to the next level. We know now that at this, stop and go traffic, 25 mile per hour stuff, this setup actually works. Now, this microphone is not the one you're hearing, but I am recording from both at the time just so I can have some B-roll. Now, I'll switch the difference. Like, this is the mic on the GoPro, the Rode Video Micro, and now this is the mic that is from the helmet. And I'm going to tell you, I actually think the Rode is going to sound better. I don't know because I can't hear them yet. But I think this little setup might just be kind of cool in the right situation. Like if you're at Bike Week, you know what I mean? You're in, like again, in a state park and you're doing 20 miles per hour and you're wandering and looking around and showing off scenery, in super wide mode. I think that'd be cool. I think that'll look just ducky. It sound just ducky. I don't care that the bike's in it because the bike, it's kind of a moto vlog. I don't even know if it's a vlog. It's technically, but it's me. I'm on a bike. Everybody knows me, knows that I'm a bike guy, and pretty much it's kind of photography and motorcycles. It's my life, always has been, for as long as I can remember anyway. All right, so we're finally moving, and it's about frickin' time. So now we're going to do our test. We are now at 25 miles per hour, and we're about to get on the highway. I expect the audio to fail, probably even at this speed, 30 miles per hour. Now, we all know that the helmet mic, that works up to 100. So I'm told. But I expect the audio to crap out much earlier. But if I can get decent bike sounds, I'll be happy with that. I mean, obviously I'm closing my helmet, so maybe we won't get a highway test. We're not really doing highway speeds. Where are we? Hello, officer. I'll just let you go by. Well, so here we go, 35, 45. Like I said, I don't expect it to work at 50. I'm pretty sure by now it's not working anymore. But the wind is really barely hitting my microphone. It's bouncing a little bit, as you can see. this to be heard at all, but if it is heard, I'm just going to have to take my hat off to Road for doing such a fine job. Now, here we have 2 lanes. Now, this is lane splitting in the legal way. But, so, no playing with the camera now. We are focusing on what we're doing. Next week I start my new shift, which means I'll be constantly in traffic. So maybe my new vlog style will be lane splitting with Nacho. Lane splitting with nachos. Today's thought, work sucked. Going home, gonna poop, have dinner, go to bed. I hate working days, because that's all you do. You watch TV and mirror. Whew, that was close. Freaking bus mirror. That was a very big bus mirror. Look at this trolley. Oh, you can't see it. It's pointing at me. Well, when I pass it, you'll see it. It's a winery trolley. Oh, it's on the wrong side. So this will be my ride home for the next 30 miles.